The $28 million renovation of Forsyth Library is already underway. The Institute for New Media Studies is excited to further strengthen our relationship with the library by moving into a brand new state-of-the-art facility as part of the renovation. This is the Institute's first rendering of what the space may look like based on blueprints and architectural designs. While some details will be addressed over the next 2 years, the integrated technology and significant increase in size will catapult the Institute's ability to conduct research, teach students, and support entrepreneurship. This animation was created by students and faculty in the Institute, utilizing several tools that allow us to do the work of the university in rapid and cost-effective ways.